Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to set up an email group within Yahoo Mail. This simple method helps you organize and message multiple people simultaneously, which is perfect for planning events, coordinating team projects, or staying in touch with family. To begin, navigate to the Yahoo Mail login page using your preferred web browser. Once there, input your username, which is the section of your email address preceding the @yahoo.com domain. Ensure it is correct. Then click the Next button to proceed to the password screen. Carefully type your password, keeping in mind that it is case-sensitive, and then hit Next again to access your account. After logging in, look at the right-hand side of your dashboard for a small icon that looks like an address book. This is the Contacts icon. Click it to open your contact management tools. Within this section, select the Lists tab, as this is where all your mailing groups are stored. Click on the Create List option to start building your new group. You should now provide a name for your list. Choose a clear, descriptive title, like Family Reunion 2025 or Project Team Alpha, to help you find it easily later. Once the group is named, you can begin adding members to your list. You have the option to manually type in email addresses or pick from your current contact list by marking the checkboxes next to their names. After you have finished selecting everyone and are satisfied with the list, simply click the Save button. This completes the setup and officially creates your group. Now, whenever you need to message everyone at once, you can use this list to streamline your workflow. This feature makes your digital communication much more organized and efficient.